In this video, I'll show you how to give a rating on Google Maps. Okay, we're going to be reviewing a fast food joint for this one, and I'll do Wingstop Cambridge Circus. Okay, this one right here. Okay, now all you need to do is come here and click on review. Okay, and just click on write a review. Now right here, you'll be asked to give a star rating. So this is the overall star rating. Let's give, for example, a 2 out of 5 for food. Maybe, maybe you don't like the food, 1 star. Service, 2 stars. Maybe the atmosphere is good, but the food and service was not there. A lot of places have this issue. Then you just go ahead and share some details of your own experience. Maybe, the food was cold, right? The wait staff were a bit rude, things like that, but the atmosphere was fantastic. You can write those details right here. All right, there we go. This is an example. You can add photos and videos. Maybe you like the place, you want to showcase it. Maybe there was a fly on your food and you want to share the photo of that, right? And here, did you dine in, take out, get delivery, dine in? Let's say you got lunch, how much you spent per person. You can add a price range right here. What dishes you actually recommend, if any. You don't have to pick these as well. You can just write only this review and that does suffice. Okay. Now I'll just go ahead and click on post right here. And there we go. It says thank you for your review. Can click on done. And here we go. Our review has just been posted and we gave it a 2-star rating. And it's really that easy and simple.